Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Talk 365. Today we are talking about the super cool technologies that are going to change our lives. From smart gadgets that think from themselves to computers that are way faster than anything we have seen before. Let's take a look at what is coming next. The first one is AI and machine learning. What is it? AI, artificial intelligence, is when machine like your phone or computer learn from your actions and make decisions by themselves. Example, think about your favorite music app. Every notice how it suggests songs you end up loving. That's AI learning your taste in music. In the future, AI will be even smarter. Imagine your phone booking a taxi for you without being asked, just because it know you usually leave work at a certain time. Why it's exciting? This tech will make our lives easier by handling everyday tasks without us lifting a finger. Second is quantum computing. What is quantum computing? Is like having a super duper fast computer that can solve really big problems in seconds. Example, imagine trying to solve a super tough puzzle. A regular computer could take years, but a quantum computer could do it in just seconds. This means we could find new cures for diseases or predict the weather with amazing accuracy. Why it's exciting? This computer will help us solve problems that seem impossible today. Third is biotechnology and wearables. What is it? Biotechnology is using tech to improve our health, and wearables are gadgets we wear, like smartwatch that help track our fitness. You know how smartwatches track your steps. Future wearable might track your health in real time, alerting you before you even feel sick. Imagine your watch telling you to rest because it detected a cold before you felt it. Why it's exciting? This tech could help us stay healthier and even live longer by catching health issues early. Fourth is the Internet of Things, IoT. What is it? IoT is even everyday things like your fridge or light are connected to the internet and talk to each others. Example, picture this. You are on your way home and your home starts warming up to your favorite temperature. Your fridge even order grocery when it knows you are running low. All of this happening automatically thanks to IoT. It makes life super convenient by having all your devices work together without you needing to manage them. Now conclusion and call to action. This amazing technology are closer than you think. They are set to make our lives easier, healthier, and more connected. If you are curious about what is coming next, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon. Tell us in the comments what tech are you most excited about. Break it down further. AI, artificial intelligence, like teaching your phone to be smart enough to help you out with daily tasks like suggesting your favorite coffee when you wake up. Quantum computing, imagine a computer that is so fast it could solve the hardest math problems in seconds, helping us find solutions to big challenges. Biotechnology and wearables, gadgets like smartwatch that not only track your fitness but can also monitor your health and warn you about potential problems before they happen. Internet of Things, IoT, everyday items like your home appliance being connected to the internet so they can work together to make your life easier, like your coffee machine starting to when your alarms goes off.